Today, we'll guide you through creating an AI-powered workflow to stay updated with the latest trends. Let's say we have a tennis platform where users engage in various activities such as tennis matches, coaching tips, and equipment reviews. Our goal is to stay updated with the latest trends in the world of tennis. So, let's build our workflow. First, we visit SERP API. It's a service that allows us to gather real-time information from various sources like Google, Bing, and App Store. You can visit serpapi.com to create a free account. To use SERP API's service, we will need an API key. Visit Your Account page from the menu and copy the key in the Your Private API Key box. Then we go to the Google Trends API menu and choose the Related Queries section. Copy the example link found under the Get box. It collects recent Google queries related to our topic. We return to Modular Mind, right-click on the board and add a prompt. We will use Import a Web Page option and paste the link we just copied, just like importing a regular web page. Then we make minor adjustments on the link. Let's change the topic to tennis. Specify the region as US. Add date parameter to get the trends of the last week. And add our API key at the end of the link. If you visit the link, you'll notice a lengthy JSON file is returned. But don't worry, ChatGPT will extract the information we need from this data for us. Click Import and the page will be saved as a prompt. We add a prompt to the stack to tell ChatGPT to summarize the information we want from the data. We'll use the ChatGPT 16K model with this stack, since the size of the data is a bit large for regular ChatGPT's context length. Now let's add analyzing recent news to our workflow as well. In addition to gathering the latest tennis trends, we can extract valuable insights from recent news articles related to tennis. So we go back to SERP API and under the Google Search API menu, we choose the News Results section. Again, we copy the example link from the Get box. Back in Modular Mind, we add a prompt to instruct ChatGPT to get recent news data and summarize it, just like we did for recent queries. Now let's ask ChatGPT to generate a report from the data we collect. Connect the first two stacks to the last to create a chain. We can use regular ChatGPT for this task, since the report won't be long. Our chain is now ready. Just tap the Run button to execute it. Notice how the first two stacks run simultaneously to gather and summarize the data. When the data is ready, the last stack is automatically executed, and the report is generated from the data. To go a step further, let's add another stack to create a newsletter titled This Week in Tennis from the generated report. Connect the report stack to the newsletter stack, so the information from the report is used to write the newsletter mail. Again, with just a simple click, your newsletter will be created from the prepared report. Now, whenever you run the chain, you'll gather the most up-to-date data, summarize it in a report, and create a fresh newsletter in seconds, all with the push of a button. And there you have it. You've just learned how to build a powerful trend hunter workflow using Modular Mind. Stay ahead of the game and keep your content up to date with this automated system.